You are here because you want to learn this anime pen spinning trick that you just saw. And I'm going to show you how to do it. So the trick that you just saw is the trick called Twisted Sonic. It looks like this. This is palm down. This is palm up. The easiest way to learn this trick is to actually learn two tricks before it. So the first one you should learn is called the charge. After you learn the charge, you should learn the simple finger pass reverse, which is just pen switching finger slots. And when you combine those two tricks, you will get the Twisted Sonic that you saw this girl did in this anime. This trick is actually really useful if you want to pick up the pen from the table. You can just do that. And if it's a writing pen, just make sure the writing tip is pointed towards you. And then if you perform the Twisted Sonic, the pen will land perfectly into the writing position. Just like that. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe.